Today, we're going to be checking out the 63rd Annual All Japan Model and Hobby Show that took place this past weekend, October 18th and 19th in Shizuoka, Japan. We'll be covering the automotive models that were on display. Only a few new kits were announced. The majority of the models on display were announced either in late 2024 or in May at the Shizuoka Hobby Show. Let's get started. And getting started with Aoshima, we have a bunch of new tuned car series of kits coming. First is going to be the 180SX S13 for BN Sports Tuner, versions 1 and 2. Next is a tuned car series of kits. They're going to be 4, 2 RX-7s, an R32, and an S15. Adopts a new dedicated chassis. Height adjustment is freely adjustable. And moreover, all 4 wheels move independently. Camber angle can be easily changed. Front tires turn just like on a real car. And we have B-Wave Tuner Series. Again, 180SX versions A and B. And we have the Evo 3s, part of their Snap Car series of kits, and the 3 color choices, white, yellow, and silver, along with an Initial D Evo 3. And the Nissan Z Nismo version kits, and the 3 color choices, white, that bluish gray, and red. Up close look at it. Parts tree layout, and the decal sticker and window trim sheet. Fun fact, you can use the window trim sheet as a window mask. You just take the center section out and use it like a normal window mask. And you can paint the window trim if you'd like. And we have the HKS, Toyota, and Subaru versions. We saw these earlier this year. Again, these are going to be a 2026 release. And the Honda Civic, the EK9. And we saw, again, these were announced earlier this year. Fast and the Furious kits, we have Brian's R34 from Too Fast and Dom's RX-7 from the Fast and the Furious. The new motorcycle kit coming out here, I guess, this month. The Honda NSR 250R 1/12 scale. It's going to wrap up Aoshima. Beemax is up next. Platt's new Beemax is up next, and 2 new kits were announced. The Toyota GR10 Hybrid and the BMW 3.0 CSL E9. And these are all going to be at least 2026 if we're lucky. And earlier this year, again, this was announced, the Toyota Celica Rally. This was a DM model kits project. We released under the Beemax name. The BMW M4 GT3. Yamaha RGV-R. Again, announced earlier this year, the Mazda 787 1/12 scale. Belkits is up next, and they had the Toyota Yaris Rally 1 Hybrid. It's going to be out here very soon. It's going to be released here very, very soon. Should be out by the end of the year. And while not at the show, this popped up on social media at the same time from Fujimi. They're doing the Suzuki Jimny JB64, releasing it as a fire vehicle. Thought it was kind of neat. Wanted to include it. Hasegawa is up next, and we have 3 new kits coming from them. With the Toyota Sora Z20 3.0 GT Limited Late Type 1989, the Nissan Skyline 2000 Turbo Intercooler RS-X R30 Late Type, and the 1973 Nissan Laurel HT 2000 SGX Late version. Also the Kawasaki GPZ 900R. That's going to do it for Hasegawa. Heller is up next, and we have the Peugeot 205 GTI again on display. This should be out again by the end of the year or before the year is out. You can see it has opening doors. I'm very curious how well those opening doors and stuff are going to fit. And a farmer's set. And from Italeri, a new big rig, Iveco S-Way, and the Lancia Fulvia HF 1972 Rally Monte Carlo. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right. And from Revell, this got announced about a week ago. Another Stranger Things kit tie-in. This is going to be a new tooling. 1977 GMC radio van, WSQK 94.5 FM. You can see simplified curbside, all the underside details molded to the chassis. It does have opening side and rear doors. The roof is separate. No chrome tree, if I'm mistaken. I don't think there's a chrome tree included. But there's definitely going to be a second variation coming. It'll be a Chevy. There's a there's a Chevy bow tie emblem. I'm definitely curious to see what the next variation of this tooling is going to be because I love van kits. And also to display the Lamborghini Revolto. This should be out hopefully by the end of the year. Still waiting on it. And announced earlier this year, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. This will be a 2026 release. Tamiya is up next. Not a whole lot from them on kit side. We have the Yamaha FZR 750R and a reissued Nissan Skyline 2000 GT-E-S. We have some new products coming from them. We have a CA Cement Quick Type 2 with, I believe that is a applicator, so that's kind of neat. A new modeler's knife in minty green. And a low odor extra thin cement. And a couple of new products from Mr. Hobby. We have some Mr. Metal 2 colors. So looks like we got new 8 metal colors coming from them, new ones. A new color, Kawasaki green. Not the bike, but the bottle's down there, but anyway, you get the point. New Kawasaki green. And they have some initial D colors coming. And MF Ghost on the right is MF Ghost, the red and the white. And then initial D there on the left, white, blue, and yellow. And I wanted to include this because I thought it was kind of interesting. If you ever wanted to build a model of a shoe, well, now you can. Coming from Bandai, Nike Air Jordan model kit. And we're going to end it there. There we go, the 63rd All Japan Model and Hobby Show. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you are looking forward to. And I hope you found this video useful. So with that, thank you so much for watching.